Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Todoist and Ticktick. Todoist is a powerful task management app that helps you organize your daily tasks quickly. You can add tasks using natural language, set priorities, recurring dates, and organize them into projects, sections, and subtasks. It also supports filters, calendar views, and integrates with many other apps. You can use it across web, desktop, and mobile devices. Todoist offers a free beginner plan, a pro plan at $4 per month with advanced features, and a business plan at $6 per user per month for team collaboration. Now, let's see what users say about Todoist on Trustpilot. Many appreciate its simple and organized task management, cross-platform reliability, and reasonable team pricing. However, some users find it a bit complicated for basic needs and report issues with unsubscribing from their emails. On the other hand, Ticktick is a productivity app that combines to-do lists with features like habit tracking, Pomodoro timer, reminders, calendar views, and Kanban boards. It offers multiple ways to view and manage your tasks, including list, timeline, and board views, making it versatile for different types of users. Now let's check what users say about Ticktick on Trustpilot. Most users love its organized layout and advanced yet simple task management, with many saying it boosts productivity. Some mention that support could be better and updates are a bit slow, but overall, the app is highly appreciated and recommended. If we talk about the pros and cons of both, Todoist has the positive side of a clean interface, smart task input, and strong teamwork features. On the downside, it has fewer built-in tools like a habit tracker, a week calendar, and some features require a paid plan. Ticktick, on the positive side, offers a calendar, habit tracker, Pomodoro timer, and time blocking features. On the downside, its interface can feel crowded, team options are limited, and occasional sync issues may occur. Overall, Todoist is best for those who want a clean, simple, and efficient task manager with strong integrations, while Ticktick is ideal for users who want an all-in-one productivity hub with extra features like habits and timers. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.